Welcome to our channel. If you want to install an all-in-one app for movies, sports, and news on your Fire Stick, follow these step-by-step instructions using a downloader code. Step 1. Turn on your Fire Stick and go to the search bar. Type Downloader and install the app if it's not already on your device. Step 2. Open the Downloader app and navigate to the URL input field on the home screen. Step 3. Enter the specific downloader code for the movies, sports, and news app and click Go. Step 4. Wait while the APK file downloads. The progress bar will show you the download status. Step 5. When the download is complete, the installation prompt will appear. Click Install to begin. Step 6. Once installed, click Done and delete the APK file to save storage space on your device. Step 7. Go back to your Fire Stick home screen and locate the newly installed app in your apps collection. Step 8. Launch the app and explore the 3 main sections: movies for entertainment, sports for live games, and news for current events coverage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.